In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in Adobe Express. Now to do this, first of course you want to add some text, so I'm going to click on the text tool and I'm just going to click on add a title and type in sample text just like this. Now of course whenever you have some text, whenever you've already typed it on, you can see the editing over here on the left, but if you of course have some text already and you want to edit it, you simply want to click on it and you want to click on this edit button at the top and it's going to pop up these editing properties panel over here on the left. Now from here you have a few options. You could go and of course change your font over here. You can go and click this arrow to actually see different fonts. You could view all of them as well, and when you find one you want to use, you can just simply click on that specific text or font and it's going to be your font from now on. Now from here you can also go and select kind of your font style. You can describe it and stuff like that, and then you can also go to this part where you have options of regular, you have thin, extra thin, you have light, medium, bold. Now some fonts may not have all of these, but some of them will, okay? Now over here you can change your size either by increasing or decreasing with these buttons, or you could type it in manually, like for example 120, pressing enter, and you're good to go. Then here you can make it bold, you can make it italic if it's available, you can make it underline, and then you can also add links. On here you can make different alignments, stuff like that, and you have things like letter spacing over here, line spacing as well if you have multiple lines of text, and you have paragraph spacing too in case you are writing in paragraphs. Here you can of course change your text color, so you can go and select any of these, click on custom to select a custom color, etc. And of course it's going to basically color your text that specific color. You can also see you have the outline colors, which means you can go and select like an outline you want to use. So if I go with a very distinct one, like let's do yellow, there we go, you can see here's the outline. You could do custom again, and then here you can also change the thickness of your specific outline. Then here you can leave your text as default, which is of course what you're seeing now. You can make it different, so you can go to text layouts where you can put it into a circle like this. You could go and make it arch, you could make a bow over here, or just basically go to dynamic as well. There's a bunch of ways, or you could use text flow over here if you want to as well, which is going to allow you to connect your text boxes, as you can see, so words can basically automatically flow from one box to the next without breaking your format and layout, okay? So those are all the options you have, and then you can also rewrite here at the bottom if you want to, if you have like different paragraphs and stuff like that. And last but not least, you can change position and opacity of your text as well. So that's how to edit your text, really. Of course, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.